Hey, Jill here with the U World Order School Community. And today we are going to be talking about how to create a bold text in posts over here on Skool, mainly because I'm trying to get my content over here in this experimental community, the Substack Starter Space, 𝗯cie𝗹𝗱, to rank in Google, but I also want it to rank for AI searches, and the best way to do that is to have content that's really tight. So, and it also helps if you have content that's divided into sections. So you can't really, I know they say you can use markdown over here, but I haven't found that that works for me so well. And as I was posting about it over in the U World Order School community, I discovered that there's a tool, and it's a really nifty tool for doing this. So we're gonna put this down here, which is just our basic post that we're gonna create. And yes, we're using AI to help do this because, you know, we can. So I'm going to put that there. So we've got a good title, and then we've got a good amount of content here for, it's a post. It's designed to be a post over here. So I want to figure out what I want to have highlighted, and I want this to be bold. So I'm going to come over here to this online communitylaunch.com /text-styler. I'm going to put this right in here, and I want it to be bold, but you can do all kinds of crazy things over here, but I want it to look like a normal post. And so I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to go Control V and copy that as that, and then we're going to do step 2, and come over here and paste that in there, and then copy that. See, this is going pretty quickly. Control C. That, this in here. You don't want to mix a bunch of different types of text around here. You want to keep it pretty straightforward. Okay. Control V and copy that. Put that in there. All right, I'm going to go back through this. I'm going to add my category. I'm just going to make this community conversations, and I'm going to create a Pinterest pin for this, and I'm going to also create a little PDF for this, and then I will attach this video to this as well. But I am going to go back through this post, and I'm going to add some emojis to it and pretty it up a little bit. So I hope this helps you. I know that this does work for YouTube descriptions as well. Here, I'll show you over here on YouTube where I tried it out. See how it made this bold in here? And then same with this. Okay, so that is how you create bold text for YouTube descriptions and school posts. Is that super slick or what? Be sure to like and comment on this post, and join us over in our school community if you're finding us on YouTube. I'll put that description in the link below too, and it will be bold.